Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by. No lessons learned. Of course you're gonna
This is Miele C3. This is Miele vacuum cleaner. This one is Bust CX1. See the filter. Miele Bust CX1. And this is Miele C3. Complete C3 for cat and dog. You see the tools. Clevis, soft brush, very strong and powerful. You can see the filter. So you can actually buy the filter separate for easy maintenance. And this is the bag. Original Miele High Clean GN MieleShop.com. So this is the bag for it. This vacuum gear is 389 quid. Very much on the high side in terms of the price. Very expensive. But I guess it does the job. This is Hetty 160 and Hetty is £159, and this is very nice and reliable vacuum gear. I like the color. Hetty, beautiful stuff, built to last, and you can see the inside it and the filter as usual, nice and clean. It smells nice. You can see what it looks like. You can see the nice and clean motor. Let me know what you think about Hetty. Do you like them? You like Hetty? This is Henry Pet HRV 200. This one is for pet owners and pet lovers. You can see the nice and thick filter. This one is with a huge capacity. Okay, so tool included eco brush, combi floor tool, crevice tool, dusting tool, upholstery and mattress tool. Is what you will get from Henry Pet, with solid filter, more thicken, you know, it's thick compared to the rest. Okay, so I guess it's nice, and you can see the motor. So this is with huge capacity. Henry Pet, built to last by Numatic International. Here we got Henry 160 here. Henry 160. Let's see what it looks like. Opening it up and check. see the filter. So if you see the filter compared to Henry Pet, and there's a bag inside. So this one is £159 current price. Sometimes the price go up and down, but at the moment it's £169. This vacuum gear. Okay. Now this one is Henry 160, and the price is £129, so the price is even cheaper. Okay. So this is the blue color, £129. So the price reduced recently. This is Henry Quick cordless vacuum. So this one, need to charge this one.